we are back alive. So we're busy. I want to make a cocktail. So we're busy buying a few things. Oh, I tried one of my juice again. After being sick, this is so sweet. I got this. Put inside my cocktail. This here it goes. I got beans. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. There is so much fruit. There is so many great things. There's a lot of things, bakery and stuff. This is our local shopping center. Go forward. Check this out, you guys. Look at the cake. Our favorite cakes. We like to buy our favorite cakes here. So thank God there's nobody around. I don't want anybody to come close to me because of that. These are one of our favorite cakes are baked by a Portuguese lady. Supplies for this weekend cake. No, they didn't receive our stuff today. We're gonna get it next time. Yeah. Anyway, I don't want anything sweet because I'm still coughing.
Your voice is froggy.
Pardon?
Your voice is froggy.
My voice is so froggy, Ariel is telling me. The lady's cleaning, look at that. So cool. This Pick n Pay is amazing. It's huge. Check. Pick n Pay is huge. We have so much fruits inside here. So I want to make some of the cocktails and stuff. So let's go and pick up what I need. This is what I'm craving for. Some alcohol. Let's go. Check this out. What a lot for that price. This is what I like to buy. Okay. Let's go and get something else. The drink I want. We also need it. Okay. Look at this. I'm making my own cocktail, so I'm trying to find some drinks. Oh, by the way, you guys, I'll speak to you just now. Back home, we got pizza. I need to warm up this tiny piece of pizza. Let me show you what I got.
Why don't you try again?
I need to make
Add some small
my own cocktail.
It should be more palish than that.
We got this.
Are you gonna make a cocktail today?
Not today. That.
This color does not
How many of these that I got?
at all.
Then these.
Let's add some vegetarian.
Yep. I'm about to make my own cocktail, baby. And I also got this strawberry mint.
I thought you were gonna say strawberry mints.
I got strawberry. I got mint.
Not
I got
bad.
rosemary,
You gotta try
which I'm
better.
going to be making my own cocktail. After
This
being
with
sick,
raw endo.
I gotta have something. I miss my alcohol. I can't live without alcohol.
Well, you almost found out what
So,
I had, but not exactly
to-
endo.
I actually will make some just now
Add some chartreuse into the mixture.
or tomorrow morning. I will put you guys, woo, don't break my water, through to see as well how I make my cocktail.
Well, you almost
And
found
I'm
out
so
what I ate, but
excited.
not exactly grass. Let's add some small now.
What am I wearing? Oh my god. Did I go out like this?
Yeah.
Who goes out like this? I just go whatever I could find so I can just get out of the house with my hair, you guys. Oh gosh. You know how cough goes away so slowly.
Are you ready to match the color
Yeah,
of this
that's
t-shirt?
crazy. We're back to normal now. This cough was terrible, it was bad.
Seriously, yeah, we have a spot.
We coughed and coughed and coughed so much.
New blenders, that's much.
Gonna move a bit.
I ain't moving.
Yeah, you are moving.
I don't want to move.
She didn't want to move.
I
She's so soft to
refuse.
move. She will move. Guys, you know, this cough, it's not one of those, I don't know, like,
It's not one of those original coughs.
are not one of those original coughs. They are fake coughs. It's not a fake cough. We had a real cough. Guys, we couldn't even, like, oh my gosh, to eat was a problem. You could not, I especially didn't have appetite at all. I felt nauseous most of the time. And it attacks your throat. The person stays, oh my gosh, it's terrible, it's crazy. It's a bad cough. I think this was a coronavirus cough. I believe so. Don't give me another one, thanks.
I'm gonna give you 10 of these coughs if I get it. I'm actually gonna give you extra.
She needs to start wearing a mask in school.
Yeah.
Which nearly killed me.
I nearly killed you.
Yeah.
K-I-L-L-E-D.
Who brought that
Kill.
cough here?
Eh.
She brought that cough here.
Who brought the cough to the country? China did.
I couldn't even stay without filming. My camera is my best friend.
Am I your best friend? Am I your best friend?
Not after you gave me that cough.
You're mean. Why you have to be this mean?
I lived on oranges. Guys. I lived on oranges. After a while, the banana couldn't even. I'm not looking at it.
You're living your life on oranges.
But we're back to normal. We are gonna be filming every day. Let me start this spot and come back.
Hi.
Stop stealing. You have your pizza in there. She had her own pizza. She ate it earlier instead of her having her other one. This was a very vicious cough.
It came to attack us.
Nearly took us out. First part.
It nearly took us out of this planet.
It nearly took us out. but we are diehards.
We were busy karate back. Oh, I'm so tired.
I'm not gonna make my tequila today.
Cocktail.
Cocktail. Thanks. Tomorrow. You guys must come over for drinks.
I'm happy that this coffee is getting away. That way I'm sitting. Why are we so silent?
You talk.
Hey guys, so you know this confidence is gonna kill us. We literally had to call the police on this car. But you went to the doctor. Yeah, but this cough was a terrible cough.
We got better. I'm hungry. Like, I'm eating again. Eating. Sure. After being so sick and not eat and live on oranges for like a week. That was bad.
I can imagine.
Hello. We are back to life. No more cough. There's still a little bit that you like, but it's not as bad.
Like before, you have to cough like every second.
Our doctor has the best medication.
Yeah,
He actually, wow,
he helped us.
helped a lot. And I can see that. I know we look tiny, we lost some kilos obviously.
That's what God gave me hope. Which we pulled through.
What's the name of this video? Vicious cough attack. We better know. Ariel got it at school and she brought it in this house. In this palace.
Me? Was that me?
Yeah, it was her.
Guys, it wasn't. It wasn't me.
She needs to start wearing masks at school. So you saw us in the mall.
Yeah, we're wearing masks so we don't get that.
I lived on oranges, you know. I couldn't eat. I was coughing a lot, was nauseous, nearly threw up, but my stomach was empty. There was nothing inside there. There was nothing to throw up. It was crazy.
Oh, I'm happy to.
And then I also like, oh, excuse me. I had, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. I had this, was it a headache? I had headaches. Ariel also
Bodily
had
pain.
headache, bodily pain. My bones were sore and cold. My God, what kind of cough
When I
is this?
had it-
This is a vicious cough attack.
When I had it, mine was just hot body. Hot bones.
My bones were sore and cold. Ariel's bones were hot. This girl.
she got the cold. She got the cold bones. I got the hot bones.
So anyway, guys, like that was terrible. It was bad.
Mine was hot.
It started first like with your throat. You know, the tickle throat.
Sketchy. No. Sketchy throat.
She has a sketchy throat. And then after that, it goes on to attack your bones. Yeah. Oh my God, that's
And let me come and attack
don't
you.
touch me like that. No, I don't want to. So anyway,
Sheesh.
it went on to attack my bones, made me cold and sore bones.
Made me hot.
I was believing that okay, I am aging faster despite my gray hairs. I'm aging 50 times more faster. Huh? What the heck? Oh, it was bad. As you can hear my voice, our voice is still very much froggy.
Your voice is more froggier than mine.
Yeah, my voice is more froggier than hers. And sheesh. Yeah, apparently like many people are getting this cough. So many grown-ups and children are getting this cough.
Yeah, there's something in there.
I believe it's still associated with coronavirus. I still believe so. The fact that it's so contagious, it gets you in 2 days or 1 day. It's crazy. Ariel was here sick with it for 2 days. I got it too. And I still feel like it's associated with coronavirus. The way it's spreading, the way so many people are getting this. And every household is complaining about this one cough. So scary. This vicious cough attack in South Africa. Oh gosh. Oh, this juice, I still want to make this. It is apple, cucumber, lemon, and spinach. Only 4 ingredients. You put all of those and then I think you blend them. Or you make a juice. I think you put in a juice. You wanted to steal.
I'm not gonna steal that juice with spinach inside.
Yes, you do.
And I don't.
She does want to steal it.
No.
But anyway, guys, all I want to say is that we're back.
Guys, this kind of ads. No, wait, I have to show you guys. See, you see these kind of ads over here? With the slime on
Up.
the phone.
Oh, down. Oh, up.
You see these kind of ads with the slime and then on the phone and what? In reality, it's not. like those ads with the slime on the phone and then after that way you put your hand all the way inside like that. It's not real. Almost like this.
A bit closer.
Almost like this. Basically what they do, right, Mom? They like put their hands inside and after that they get the slime out like this. But in reality you just do this.
Really?
You don't put your hand all the way inside your phone.
It's so cool.
I know, but it's not satisfying, it's actually irritating.
I had to make soup.
Let me actually see this.
I think the day before yesterday.
Yeah, see, this is what they need.
Oh yeah, see.
Yeah,
I
I want
drank-
to see how it is. I want to see how it is, though. Yeah, like this. See? As if like...
I dragged out myself out of the bed and I made ourselves soup. This soup helped us. Yeah. I was looking for my eucalyptus oil so we could do steaming because it does help with the so-called cough. But we're back. We're better.
Just a see tiny cup.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, just
We're still coughing, but not as much.
not as much
It's much better now. I can feel that I lost some 2 or 3 kilos, or maybe 30 of them. And then I think I lost about 4 or 5 kilos. Or 4 kilos. Or 3 kilos.
Or 19
But guys, thank you so much for liking our videos or subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please watch our videos. Please like our videos. And yeah, my name is Inez Antonio and this is my daughter Ariel. This is my channel, but it's a family channel too. Will include my daughter in it. Sometimes you'll be able to see her, sometimes you won't be able to see her. She'll be busy with her own things.
Which channel was that?
And then, but this is my channel, and I'm a burn survivor, as you can see from the scars. If my content interests you, why not stay tuned and watch? It's a very normal content household. I already had my dinner. That was dinner. Yeah, I'm full. I'm actually going to stay in bed and watch Netflix. I'm watching this new series. It's not that new.
Bridgerton.
Not Bridgerton. I am watching Dexter. So the serial killer during the day is a detective, forensic. He works as a forensic detective, and at night is a serial killer. He kills murderers, which is so good. We need something like this around the world.
Well, it does exist.
It's pity, sorry, excuse me. It's pity that it's just a movie. I wish there was killers that kill killers. That would be so nice. Killers that kill murderers. That would be nice.
I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of scary saying it.
It is scary saying it, but I got so hooked since last night. I actually started watching. I wasn't watching. What was I watching actually when I was sick? I would watch 1 or 2 things and fall asleep. Not really like finish them at all. I fell asleep through the movies. Now, after last night, I was feeling much better and hanging in bed and watching this. Oh my gosh, I said last night, I'm already like, I am so interested into this series, Dexter. Oh, I just want to watch the whole thing again. I'm still watching. I believe on episode, is it season 1? Still, episode 4, somewhere there. But I'm watching, it's so interesting. This juice, I really love it. So good. Bye guys. Say bye.
Hello, I mean bye.
Nakumeya.
You can be.